there, we're back in Ultimate Custom Night, and we're just gonna, you know what we do. We do weird stuff. Maybe, I don't know. First things first, try and beat this time. I don't know how I got there before, but I don't think we're gonna be able to beat that. Ever. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Maybe. It's yay. Wow. Okay, loaded. No, you can go away. Urgh. He's there. Oh my god.
You and I don't get to talk as often as I'd like.
You don't say. So that was a fail. Oh, we get the happy frog. She's happy. So who should we do, guys? So we're just gonna power up the DD repel. We're gonna do So yeah, we're gonna try and do the old folks. I'm not sure what they're called. They're called weird animatronics. Oh, okay, we're just gonna call them that. Start with weird animatronics. That's the way to go. Theater 5, I think it was. I mean, I don't hate Dee Dee, but I don't love her. I don't like her and I don't dislike her, so it's like, I don't know. Ow, my elbow. Did I ever? Okay. Right again. Let's see if maybe we can hide, right? Hi. 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 You know. Oh, hi. I love you. There. Check on you. I forgot to check on him. Well, let's hit powers. We have a bunch of batteries. If you guys heard of Guardians of the Galaxy, they're called ambulance batteries. They're called heart batteries. Don't really know. Scratching my beard. I'm joking, I don't have a beard. Not yet. try all of these, but then you gotta buy. Why would you buy that plush? Nope, don't even worry. So maybe. So we have no DD huh? That's wonderful. I don't know who. Oh my god, she's so cute. Chica. Chica! Chica! Yay! Yay! Chica! Oh, okay. What is that? Okay, yeah, we're gonna see if there's another story to tell us. I love his stories. Eventually, I'm gonna get tired of those stories. I said eventually, not, you know, I don't. Eventually I'll get tired. It's fun to hear stories. Right, Mr. Hippo? Where are you? Please, where are you? Where are you? Actually, he's gonna get me. Okay, funny. Lucky, he's gonna replace me with an ender skeleton. You're going the wrong way. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Going the right way.
It seems that you have met your end. What a pity. You know, I don't feel too bad about it, though. After all, if it weren't me, it would have just been one of the others, I guess. I'm honestly just glad to be out of those air ducts. You know, it's not easy for a hippopotamus to fit up there, and not easy to get down either. Not as young as I used to be, as you can see. I used to be able to do all sorts of things. You're young, you're vibrant, you have that sort of pep in your step. It reminds me of a conversation I was having with one of my good friends, Orville. We were having a nice picnic one day. I believe it was summer. No, perhaps it was... Was it the fall? Yes. It was the fall because the leaves had turned already. But I said to Orville, I says, Orville, I have a story to tell you. And Orville looked at me, kind of odd and said, well, what's it about? I said to him, not every story has to be about something, Orville. Sometimes a person just wants to talk. Why does everything have to be a story? I said to him. He just looked at me and he said, well, you said you had a story. And, he was quite right. I did, in fact. I told him I had a story. I suppose if a person just wants to talk, then it's best to not announce that you're telling a story. Telling a story does come with its own pressures and expectations, I suppose. After all, if you're just talking to a friend, then there's no more expectations than if you were talking into the wind. Words by themselves aren't expected to carry, aren't expected to stick. But if you announce you're telling a story, well then, there'd better be a point to it all, No one wants to sit and listen to someone ramble on and on and on with absolutely no end in sight. So, it's good to be mindful that when you tell someone that you're about to tell a story, that you have something to say. Telling someone that you're going to tell them a story is tantamount to asking them to stop what they're doing and pay attention. You're basically saying, hey, buddy, stop everything. Stop what you're thinking. I have a solution to everything. And, well, I didn't really have any story to tell. In hindsight, I probably just misspoke when I said that I had a story. I think it would have just been better to tell Orville that I wanted to tell him something rather than tell him that I had a story. But even then, it might have put too much importance on the whole thing. Either way, it was quite a nice day. I remember that we were drinking tea.
So that was that. We did not hear that, and guys, I hate to cut it short, but we are gonna have to go just slightly out of time. So see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll try and read the comments from my phone in my next video. So leave a comment saying like and subscribe, and just maybe I'll feature your comment. Peace out. Bye.